Hey, welcome to another radio video, and this is the last of 3 videos where we compare the realistic PRO-2006 scanner with the Icom IC R20 communications receiver. Of course, we're comparing the modes that are available on the PRO-2006. What makes the R20 a special receiver is the fact that it has upper lower sideband CW and the IC recorder and all of that stuff makes it a great radio. But if you looked at my VHF and UHF videos where we compare these ranges, you'll see that the PRO-2006 is actually a very good radio, and it's really sensitive like the R20. They are pretty much equal, with one major point that goes to the PRO-2006, the fact that intermod is not a problem most of the time on the 2006, while my R20 did suffer from it a lot if I didn't lower the level of the RF gain. And I didn't want to lower it because I wanted to put both receivers at the same level, if you want, the maximum sensitivity possible. Even the PRO-2006 has a switch on the back that lets you actually play with the RF gain. There's a, I believe it's a 10 dB attenuator switch at the back of the PRO-2006. And I've actually never used it except for one specific point when I want to listen to a FM broadcast. Because these stations are really strong, I did use the 10 decibel, the 10 dB switch to lower sensitivity in the FM range for radio listening of local broadcasts. But apart from that, in the regular scanner bands, VHF, UHF, I've never really put that 10 dB on because it's not needed. So we'll scan now the higher UHF range, 800 megahertz, and see if we can still compare signals between both, and if the sensitivity at that higher range is as good on one or the other. So let's start. We're starting at 851 megahertz and going upwards. Oops, sorry. Go back here, direct up. So let's go. 851, 737, we hear it about here, except here the voice squelch jumped over the signals. Once again, not much audio here, but the signals we hear. I would say, by comparing that on 800 megahertz though, my R20 is superior now. There is a difference, I can see. I received, for example, this trunk 855175. Barely breaks the squelch. Barely breaks the squelch here. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. 856.087. That comes in quite well on both receivers. That's pretty cool. interesting to note that some stuff I hear on one and I don't on the other ones. Maybe intermod once again. So that works. This is the local STM, which is the public transport buses.